Day 14 is done. Oh, I can't believe I just finished it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Christine, and this video is about my 2-week journey of doing 100 burpees every single day for 14 days and just see what happens to my physique and fitness level overall. So yeah, I'll cut the jibber jabber and let you guys go straight into the video. Enjoy!
Done, and I feel really proud of myself because it's a lot. Also, my arms are feeling like they're not mine anymore, and my wrists are hurting too, I guess. Okay, it's because I don't have enough strength, but so it took me 15 minutes and 30 seconds, let's say. Hey guys, so it's day 2. Yesterday I just feel so sore from all the sudden burpees that my body can't handle. My arms are like burning, and I also feel it in my abs too, but I'm going to keep sticking to the plan, and let's see. It's really difficult. I really want to give up, but I can do it. Day 2 is done. 18 minutes about to do it because I'm just so tired from all the soreness from yesterday. But I do feel like the push-up have become easier to do, and I believe tomorrow I will do better. That's the best thing I can think of now, because I don't know. Maybe tomorrow I'll do 20 minutes, but that's totally fine because we're not here for the time. We're here for the challenge. Day 3, and honestly, after changing the push-up to mountain climbers, I find it's a lot easier. So today is more like aerobic training, but you know, well, day 3 is done, so. Day 4 is done. Honestly, today feels a lot easier. Probably because I had a lot of carbs for breakfast, but so it took me about 15 minutes to do the whole thing, and I don't actually feel tired at all. So that's a real good thing. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so it's day 5. Today we're probably going to do a mixture of both push-up and mountain climber burpees because my arms are feeling a lot better. So without further ado, let's get into the 100 burpees. So this is 15 minutes and day 5 is done. I did about 40 push-ups, the burpee push-ups, and 60 of them are mountain climbers. My triceps are just so weak. I don't think I can do 100 without losing the form, so I think it's better if I just modify a little bit. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Till we reach the moon.
You can see it's 14 minutes 30 seconds, and yeah, I don't think I took that many breaks today, probably because I had a large carb intake yesterday, so my muscles are on fire. I can definitely feel it getting easier, and I did 50 push-up and 50 mountain climbers, and my heart rate is about 160, which is pretty high for me. So yeah, seems that a cheat meal is very important to reboot all the muscles, and all the soreness just went away. And yeah, so day 6 is done. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so it's finally day 7. We're almost halfway there, and
You don't already know. Step, step from the words that lift up from your lips.
I'm so proud. Today just feels a lot easier, and I can feel my arms burning. I feel like I wasn't doing it properly before, so I didn't really feel much on my triceps, but it was more on my chest and stuff. And I'm feeling both now, and I don't know. I think it's getting easier for sure. Like it's definitely a very stable trend, and well. Yeah, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, it's day 8 of our 100 burpee every day, and I don't really know what to say, so let's get started.
That you don't already know.
This is 13 minutes and 15 seconds. Hey guys, it's day 9 of our burpee challenge, and I am feeling pumped, and actually I have somewhere to be in 19 minutes, so let's hope we can get this over with. Why is it not focused? It's about 12 minutes. Oh my god. Yeah, I was rushing before 12 hits, and we still have 6 minutes, so yeah, but that was really intense. I can feel my triceps being burned down to the ground doing the push-ups, but as usual I did 50-50, but you know, we'll see if tomorrow improves, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, it's day 10 of our burpee challenge, and how time flies. Well, it hasn't been exactly so difficult, but you know, let's see how today goes. Okay, this is about 13 minutes. It's actually less than that because I was trying to pick a playlist in the first 40 seconds, so I think there's a slight improvement in today's time as well. It should be like 12:20, but yeah. It's such a good workout. Hey guys, it's day 11 of our burpee challenge, and today I am so excited because I just ordered an Uber Eats for Poke Bowl, who is on its way to me. So this means I get to eat poke after I finish this burpee challenge, and that's really exciting. So let's get started. It's pretty good. Today it cost me like 11 minutes to do the whole thing, and I actually did more push-ups than mountain climbers. So, oh, it's better if I appear in the frame. So yeah, that was that, and I'm super grateful for that. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, it's day 12 of our burpee challenge, and yeah, I don't really know what to say today, so let's just get started. As you guys can see, this is 11 minutes and 14 seconds. This is the fastest I've ever been. And honestly, it's not that bad because I actually was trying to do 20 in a single one set, although I only did 2 sets and then reverted back to 10%. But yeah, well, I can definitely feel my triceps improving, and it's just much easier to do the push-ups and stuff. I actually think the push-up is easier to do than mountain climbers now, but yeah, that's day 12. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, it's day 13 of our 100 burpee challenge. I can't believe this is the second last day, and yeah, so just let's get started.
Missing someone with all your heart. Missing someone with heart.
Okay, this is 10 minutes and about 20 seconds. Okay, day 13 is done, and I noticed I'm burning a lot less calories than I used to. And my heart rate is a little bit lower as well, and I can talk actually, not like a psychopath. So yeah, so tomorrow is the final day. I'll see you guys then. Hi guys, it's day 14 and the last day of our 100 burpee challenge, and honestly I'm super excited to get it over with, but at the same time, well, I kind of missed it a little bit. Yeah, it has been a really fun journey, so we haven't done the last day's chair yet, so let's get started.
Is as normal, missing someone.
Day 14 is done, and it's 9 minutes and 30 seconds. Hey guys, so just before we finish this video, there's just a few things I want to share about this whole journey. I probably did not say enough about this challenge. It was meant to be like more of an exercise of the mind and body, because burpees are something I have been terrified of my entire workout life. And you know, what better way is there to face a fear than, you know, just doing it? So yeah, that's how this challenge came around. And yeah, I definitely can say I feel a lot more comfortable with doing burpees now, because, well, I don't know, there has been entire 2 weeks where I was doing 100 burpees a day. Now I can feel like I will just rock all these online workouts with burpees, which I would not dare to do in the past because I just hated burpees so much. And honestly, this is also kind of like the cross country I did in high school, where I was, you know, just faced with fear and just do it. So I think this is a valuable lesson. And as for like specific gains, I did not do it to like look visibly stronger or skinnier. I did not really change my diet a lot, but I did have like a bunch of more carb-based meals, because these very high intensity interval workout would require a lot more carb fuel. So I changed a little bit in my diet structure, but the whole, normally like the energy intake stays about the same throughout the 2 weeks. So I don't really think there is much of a physique visible change as much as, like, you know, the functionality. I definitely feel my biceps and triceps are much stronger now. I can do probably a lot more push-ups than I used to be able to in a row, and I'm super happy with that. Even though it might be hard to tell like a visceral difference, I think it's still like a very rewarding experience nonetheless, because I had a concrete goal every day and I got to do it and enjoy the feeling of accomplishing something small every single day. So yeah, I would recommend it to anyone who's looking to kind of challenge themselves in terms of workout, as burpees, we know, is a very good cardiovascular workout because it's both aerobic and anaerobic. So yeah, that's about the things I want to say. Yeah, if there's any interesting challenges you guys want me to do in the future, I'm thinking about doing jump ropes next, but I don't know, that's kind of too cardio based and it sounds kind of boring, but you know, we'll see. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. And oh, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing after I did like 1400 burpees, because you know I'm very dedicated to my YouTube channel and providing you guys with happiness and hopefully useful information. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time.